Hello friend, the first chapter is solid state. Matter has a three state: solid, liquid and gaseous. In this chapter, we are studying only about solid. Now we can take some sample like NaCl, plastic, rubber, glass, some of the metallic particle, metal pieces. What we observe by observing this sample. Now, in the solids, the constituent particles are atoms, ions or molecules. The arrangements of particles are differently. Due to these arrangements of particles, solids are classified into two types. Now we are studying the types of solid. There are the two types of solid. Crystalline solid and the second one is amorphous solid. It is an important topic. Which type of question can be asked to the board exam? Distinguish between crystalline solids and amorphous solids. Or maybe write down short note. Crystalline solid. The constituent particle are arranged regularly and randomly. Sorry, not randomly. It is a mistake. Periodically in long range they have sharp melting point due to the perfect arrangements. Crystalline solid show anisotropy in nature. एक मार्क के लिए क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. व्हाट इज एनिसोट्रॉपी? The property of the solids are different in different direction. That's are called anisotropy. What are the example of crystalline solids? Initially we can say that some sample of the solids out of these NaCl, sugar, metal are the crystalline solids. But what we different observes in amorphous solids? Amorphous solids are supercool liquid. इसे ही क्या बोलते हैं? सुपरकूल लिक्विड, या तो इसे सुडो सॉलिड भी बोलते हैं. In which the constituent particles are arranged randomly but in the short range. Constituent particle are arranged randomly in short range. They do not show sharp melting points. Amorphous solid का जो melting point होता है sharp नहीं होता है. It is often in the range. They do not show. They do not have sharp melting point. They show isotropy in nature. क्या शो करता है? आइसोट्रॉपी. काफी डिफरेंट है एनिसोट्रॉपी एंड आइसोट्रॉपी. On these points, maybe question can be asked to the one mass short answer. What is isotropy? Isotropy, it is the opposite thing to the anisotropy. The property of solid are same in different direction. यानी इसका मतलब क्या? यदि आपने क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में, दैट्स आर द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स in which the constituent particles are arranged in the perfectly, but in that diagram constituent particles arranged are randomly. If you go by these directions, only green dot show another property. If you go by these direction, give only purple color of dot, give another property. If you go by these directions, green, purple, give another property. That show the anisotropy. But in which, if you go by any directions, all the particles are obtained in that path. Therefore, it can show the same property. That's called the anisotropy, and that's called the isotropy. What are the example of amorphous solid? Rubber, glass, etc. Tar is also the amorphous solids. The next topic is a small concept. What is isomorphism and polymorphism? Definitions is important. Isomorphism. Iso means same. If two or more solid substances are different but can exist in same structure, that's what called as a isomorphism. Two or more substances have same structure are called isomorphism. For example, NaF and MgO. One more thing is that can show the same atomic ratio. क्या है? इनका एटॉमिक रेशियो सेम होता है. एटॉमिक रेशियो बोले तो 1:1. सोडियम का एटम 1 है, फ्लोरीन का भी एटम 1 है. हियर इज आल्सो द मैग्नीशियम 1, ऑक्सीजन 1. व्हाट इज पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? पॉली मीन्स बहुत सारे. सिंगल substance can exist in two or more form. एक ही सब्सटेंस अलग अलग फॉर्म में ऑब्टेन होता है. That's are called polymorphism. Example, calcite and argonite is two form of calcium carbonate. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट के दो फॉर्म ऑब्टेन होते हैं. वन ऑफ द कैल्साइट एंड सेकंड इज ऑर्गोनाइट. Therefore, that's how the concept is a polymorphism. If these concepts are obtained in element, then at that time that's are called allotropy. सुना होगा allotropy. What are the allotropes of carbon, diamond, graphite, fluorine? But this property can be obtained in element. Therefore, that's called the allotropy. It is the same thing, but obtaining elements, that's called the allotropy. The next topic is classification of crystalline solids. Now, we can study out in the next video. Thank you.